Krishna. So today I have something to share with you that I wrote around 2 years back. The title is सामान नहीं हूँ. सामान नहीं हूँ. हंसती हूँ, गुनगुनाती हूँ, दर्द में मुस्कुराती हूँ. सह लेती हूँ हंस के, बेजान नहीं हूँ. सामान नहीं हूँ. हंसती हूँ, गुनगुनाती हूँ, दर्द में मुस्कुराती हूँ. सह लेती हूँ हंस के, बेजान नहीं हूँ. सामान नहीं हूँ. सामान नहीं हूँ. ममतामयी माँ हूँ, स्नेहल बहन हूँ. ममतामयी माँ हूँ, स्नेहल बहन हूँ. दोस्त हूँ, हमसफर हूँ. आंगन में खेलती नन्ही सी जान हूँ. आंगन में खेलती नन्ही सी जान हूँ. सामान नहीं हूँ. सामान नहीं हूँ. बेजान नहीं हूँ. सामान नहीं हूँ. परिंदों की चहक हूँ, माटी की महक हूँ. माटी की महक हूँ, परिंदों की चहक हूँ. ढल जाती हूँ सबके रंग में, गुमनाम नहीं हूँ. ढल जाती हूँ सबके रंग में, गुमनाम नहीं हूँ. सामान नहीं हूँ. सामान नहीं हूँ. So just to tell, don't just treat women as sense objects. They are living entities. Atma in female body, Atma in a male body. So one should not identify so much with the body and treat the other person as inferior or in some other way. Same way, the male and female have their own specific roles to play. Both are special. Ultimately, these are temporary vehicles given to us. We are spirit soul. So male has their own role to play and female have their own role to play. So male play their role and female play their role. So it's not an identity crisis or not a competition going on. And so one should not artificially try to imitate, and one should not make one's life complex by whatever is being propagated in the media today. We are very valuable as in female bodies, so we should not cheaply exhibit our bodies. So others should not look at a female as a sense object, and the female should not have a cheap life, whatever is broadcasted in the media, so many movies. What is happening? Just some item songs, this and that, cheap exhibition of body, all lust and greed. No, this human life is very valuable. This is not a cheap life to live in an animalistic way. There is no beauty in being naked. Beauty is by your character. Beauty is by your value system. So saman nahi hu. So when we are not some saman, so why we should make our exhibition like that, and why others should mistreat us? Female is the center of family life. Female is the inspiration. ममता मई माँ हूँ, स्नेहल बहन हूँ, दोस्त हूँ, हम सफर हूँ, आंगन में खेलती नन्ही सी जान हूँ. So we should not just think, our family as our family and treating someone else and in a bad way. What Chanakya Niti says, Matrivat Paradareshu, Pardravyeshu Loshtavat, Atmavat Sarvabhuteshu, Yapashyati Sapandita. So I think most of the problems of this world will be solved if we follow this principle, Matrivat Paradareshu, दूसरे की स्त्री को माता के समान. भोग की वस्तु नहीं, माँ है. पराई स्त्री को माता के समान देखना चाहिए. पर द्रव्येषु लोष्टवत्, दूसरे के धन को मिट्टी के ढेले के समान. तो मातृवत परदारेषु, and same way Mataji's, मतलब जो females, they should not look at other men in a lusty way, and same way the male should not look to women as a sense object. So there will be no lust, then there will be no greed if we are not envious of other person's wealth, and that's why Pardraveshu Loshvat. Atmavat Sarva Bhuteshu. सबको अपना परिवार का हिस्सा, बिकॉज हम सब भगवान के शाश्वत अंश है. वी आर लिविंग इन अ ग्लोबल फैमिली, not only human, all living species. We are one family, soul traveling in different bodies. So we should respect each and every living creature. We should not cause harm to anyone. Jivadaya. And Atma Sarvabhuteshu Yapashyati Sapandita. The one who has such a vision, that person is the real Pandit. Vidwan. So what kind of just mugging up books and turning into sophisticated animal? No. Our value system should be the foundation of our life. Our character, our values. So this Chanakya verse is very nice. Matrivat paradareshu pardravyashu loshtuvat atmavat sarvabhuteshu yapashyati sapandita. Life will be less complex, simple, and that will be the spirit of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. So we should value ourselves, not consider ourselves inferior, and same way we should not mistreat any other person. We should not identify just our own blood relatives as our own. We are all one global family. So this further, I want to remember who are our inspiration, the glorious females in the past. And I want to discuss this point. What happens now, females are being so badly mistreated. We do some candle march and all, but there is no justice. But in Vedic times, like people think earlier females were so, suffocated, inferior. No, they were protected. They were living a life of dignity. And why Mahabharata happened? Why Ramayana happened? Because a female was insulted, a female was assaulted, one tried to pollute a female. So that was the standard of female protection. That was the standard of women was protected in the Vedic times. She was having a happy life, protected life. Not like now we are not scared of the animals on the street. When we are alone, we are scared of the human on the street. That is the bad situation today. But in Vedic times, when Mother Draupadi, what happened when they tried to insult Mother Draupadi, when they tried to assault Mother Draupadi, what happened? Mahabharata happened. And mind you, Mother Draupadi is not a weak lady. She is very chaste woman, and that chastity has a special power. She is Yagyaseni. She could have finished the whole assembly of Kauravas in that moment only. But then she remembered Krishna's words, Sayam, Sayam, Sayam. Another name of Mother Draupadi is Krishna, because she is friend of Lord Krishna. So because Krishna's plans are perfect, so if something bad happening, you don't know, there is a supreme justice, and that justice will happen. So what happens? Krishna wanted to kill all adharmis, so that's why the battle of Kurukshetra was organized. But what was the reason? To protect a female, to give proper respects to our mothers, to give proper respect to women. Same way, Mother Sita, Mother Sita is the supreme personality of Godhead. She is Swayam Bhagavan, Siya Ram. So same way, Mother Sita has the full potential. She could have smashed Ravana there only. Ravana cannot touch Mother Sita. If you will read Valmiki Ramayana, you will understand that actually it was Maya Sita, not the original Sita. Matter cannot touch the all spiritual personality of Godhead. Sita Maya is not made up of matter like us. Sita Maya में देह और देही का फर्क नहीं है. वो परम पुरुषोत्तम भगवान की नित्य संगिनी है, भगवान की आह्लादिनी शक्ति है. उनको छूना किसी कामी पुरुष के वश की बात नहीं है. ये लीलाएं रामायण की, महाभारत की इसलिए हुई ताकि instead of watching some fiction garbage, we should remember the past times of the Lord, and we should try to take lessons and purify our lives. So Mother Sita taught us that how a wife should behave. She could have said yes to Ravan, but she never said yes, because human life is not to pollute and flirt here and there. Human life is a life of higher principles, and Mother Sita has the potential to kill Ravan there only. Nobody can kidnap Mother Sita, and nobody can bring Mother Sita into tears. It was the pastimes arranged in a way that the glories of the Lord established, and we have Ramayana to recite, to remember, and to take lessons from, that how one should live a life of commitment, not a cheap life. But mind you, Lord Ram, when Mother Sita, Lord Ram didn't think, oh, I'll marry someone else. And Sita Maya didn't think, okay, he's already in the forest, I can stay in the Swarna Nagari Sone ki Lanka. No. The relationship was much deeper, not on just the bodily level, because they were setting the example. They came in the Bhagwan Sri Ram and Mother Sita came in the human role to set example for us. So that way, see, when how much a wife is protected, that's the ideal husband, Lord Ram. When it comes on a woman, what happened? Yuddha hua, yuddha. They got enough lesson that they will not dare to touch a woman. That lessons are there in the history, Mahabharata and Ramayana. And today, what is happening? Female is unprotected. Even small child, whether boy child, female child, so much exploitation happening. Even the kids are not safe because we are going degrading so much. We are going below animals. Even animals don't behave in such perverted ways the way human has started behaving. That's why so many assault cases of even school going kids are coming. So this is what happening. We are getting mad by feeding ourselves with so much lust, by watching all nonsense from the different media platforms. So we should stop feeding the demon inside our mind. We should purify our mind by watching something that helps us to become a better person, not that brings out the animal inside of us. So हमको because Bhagavad Gita says, Bhagavad Gita says कि संगात संजायते कामः. The kind of association we are keeping, that kind of desires we will have. So why there is so much lust, so much crime, so much assault, violence in the world? Because we are feeding ourselves with all this negativity. We are watching very nasty stuff. We are watching too much sensuality, so that is clearing up all the bad, and whatever good is getting suppressed. So Sangha Sanjayate Kama. Sangha is not just by physically being with good people. It's by through whatever songs we are listening, whatever movies we are watching. That is all association. And now because of this all time available mobile, we are watching so many movies. कुछ भी देख रहे हैं, इतना lust, sensuality देख रहे हैं. We are not giving something nourishing to our souls, something nourishing to our value system. So my request is, start reading Bhagavad Gita, understand the science of soul, respect life, whether in a male body, in a female body, in an animal body, or even plants. Plants do have life, so don't cut trees. Maintain the environment. It should be sustainable environment. So we should respect all living creatures. And mind you, in the Vedic times, females were not considered as inferior or suppressed. They were having the life of dignity, integrity, full protected, full nourishing, full blossoming. That's why they were all blossoming in the Vedic time. And any nonsense people, any rascal who try to do any nonsense with a female, result, everyone knows. That's a history. How Ravan was smashed, how Dushashan was killed, how Duryodhana was killed. So there is a verse, यत्र नार्यस्तु पूज्यन्ते रमन्ते तत्र देवता, कि जहाँ पे नारी माँ है, जहाँ पे नारी का सुरक्षा होता है, वहाँ स्वयं देवता निवास करते हैं. So we should try to recall some glorious mothers. So I'll continue with my poem, that is सामान नहीं हूँ, माटी की महक हूँ. माटी जैसे ढल जाती है ना, माटी की महक हूँ, परिंदों की चहक हूँ, ढल जाती हूँ सबके रंग में, गुमनाम नहीं हूँ. Even if a female plays the role of a friend, wife, mother, daughter, she doesn't lose her individuality. She is doing that selfless service. One who has received the love of a mother will never turn into immoral person. That's why our family system is so important, that how much time mothers should give to their kids. Because if we are just earning so much money and we are not giving quality times to our children, then our children are जिसको माँ के हाथ का खाना नहीं मिलता है, जिसको वो संस्कार माँ से नहीं मिलता है, उसका मॉरल सिस्टम हमेशा डाउन रहेगा. एंड जिसको अच्छे से मिल जाता है, उसको ये कोशिश रखना पड़ेगा कि when that person enters college life, that when that persons grow up, then he doesn't pollute himself by taking wrong things from the media. One should, while dealing with any female, you should know that your mother can also be dealt in the same way. So what behavior we don't want for our mother, what behavior we don't want for our sisters, the same way we should not behave with others. अगर same way there is so much domestic violence happening, why? अरे आप अपनी बहन का ससुराल में तो सब अच्छा चाहते हैं, तो आप अपनी पत्नी को भी वो खुशी दीजिए जिससे आपकी पत्नी भी खुशी से रहे। तो ये बहुत दुर्भाग्य की बात है कि हम लोग पैसा तो बहुत कमा रहे हैं, लेकिन हम व्यवहार अच्छा नहीं कर रहे हैं, है ना। वी आर सो मनी माइंडेड, सो आर्टिफिशियल, दैट वी आर फॉरगेटिंग द एसेंस ऑफ रिलेशनशिप। अगर हमारी वजह से कोई व्यक्ति रो रहा है, if we are the cause of tears in someone's eyes, what is the value, what is the use of our life? So whatever relations we have, you are not treating your own wife properly, and what money will do, ठीक है। The wife should treat the husband nicely and the husband should treat the wife nicely. The family unit is the basic, and they both should treat each other's parents nicely. And they should raise their children in God conscious, Krishna conscious atmosphere, whether it's Bhagavad Gita, कुरान शरीफ, बाइबल, गुरु ग्रंथ साहिब। हमारे बच्चों को बचपन से धर्म की शिक्षा मिलनी चाहिए ताकि वो भी फ्यूचर, और हमको किसी दूसरे जीव को दूसरे जीव को दुख नहीं देना चाहिए, हर जीव के प्रति दया रखना चाहिए। सो आई ट्राई टू कन्वे दिस मैसेज। देन फर्दर इज आई वांट टू रिकॉल, सामान नहीं हूँ, बेजान नहीं हूँ, देवकी का त्याग हूँ, देवकी का त्याग हूँ, यशोदा का दुलार हूँ, देवकी का त्याग हूँ, यशोदा का दुलार हूँ, द्रौपदी का संयम हूँ, द्रौपदी का संयम हूँ, दुखों की भिक्षा मांगती कुंती का साहस हूँ, दुखों की भिक्षा मांगती कुंती का साहस हूँ, बेजान नहीं हूँ, गुमनाम नहीं हूँ। सो मदर देवकी, she tolerated the loss of 6 sons, and for the protection of a seventh is Lord Balram, eighth is Krishna, and ताकि अपने बच्चों को एक safe atmosphere, she tolerated the separation from her own kids, and that too not ordinary kids. स्वयं भगवान came as the child of Mother Draupadi and Mother Devaki and Vasudev still, ताकि अपने बच्चे का सुरक्षा रहे, Mother Devaki tolerated that separation, and Yashoda Maiya, that's how we should not identify one who is born from our body only, we will take care of that person, not others. Yashoda ka dular, Yashoda is the eternal mother of Krishna, Yashoda ka dular hu, Draupadi ka sayyam hu. Draupadi is not an ordinary lady, she is chaste lady, though she is wife of 5 husbands, that too also in a bona fide Vedic system. That was a special benediction she received, and that's why she was living with all rules and regulations of Grihastha ashram. She was not a cheap lady, she was the lady of chastity, she's a chaste woman, and she had the potential. She Yagyaseni, Yagyasatpan hue the Drupad or Draupadi, she had the potential to smash, to kill, to finish the whole assembly of Kauravas that moment only. But Krishna is eternal friend, so when you are in crisis, pain, then intelligence, you should take shelter of Krishna's words. So Krishna said Sayyam. And then Kunti Maharani, husband is not there, 5 kids are there. She's chaste woman. She raised her 5 kids so nicely, tolerated all disturbances, and Mother Kunti was blessed to always remain youthful. So even in her old age, she was a very young, beautiful lady. Still, she was never into any lust, greed. No, she was the lady of character. She was the lady of value system. And Mother कुंती महारानी यूज्ड टू प्रे, कृष्णा दुख दीजिए हमको, बिकॉज सुखों में क्या होता है, मटेरियल लाइफ के कंफर्ट्स में हम भूल जाते हैं कि हम शरीर नहीं है, आत्मा है, और हमारा भगवान से सनातन रिलेशन है, और हमको बैक टू गॉडेड, भगवान के धाम जाने। तो बोलते हैं भगवान दुख आने दो, दुख आते हैं तो हमको आपका याद आता है, सुख में हम भूल जाते हैं, इसलिए वो भगवान से दुख मांगती हैं। और कुंती महारानी बोलती है लाइफ में कितना भी प्रॉब्लम आए, जैसे मदर गैंजिस फ्लोज टुवर्ड द ओशियन, जैसे गंगा के मार्ग में कितनी भी बाधा आ जाए, गंगा सागर में मिलने के लिए जाती ही जाती है, उसी तरह से हमारे जीवन में कितनी भी बाधा आ जाए, हमको धर्म का रास्ता, जर्नी होम, आत्मा का विज्ञान, ये सबसे नहीं, हमको इस शरीर से जो भी दुख सुख का अनुभव होता है उससे अपना जर्नी खराब नहीं करना चाहिए। मनुष्य जीवन इज अ रेयर, human life is rare, valuable gift. We should utilize it, and we should make our life perfect in a way. Doesn't matter what sufferings we are going through, but we should make a way, we should come out of that, and we should perfect our human life, ताकि we should come out of the cycle of birth and death. Then उर्मिला का त्याग हूँ, Urmila, Mother Urmila, when Lakshman ji was in Banvas, taking care of Mother Sita and Lord Ram. Urmila ji for 14 nights, because लक्ष्मण स्वयं भगवान विष्णु तत्व हैं, लक्ष्मण जी सो नहीं रहे थे, तो उनका नींद कौन पूरा कर रहा था? निद्रा देवी, उर्मिला देवी. तो उर्मिला देवी ने सेवा के लिए अपने पति से सेपरेशन फॉर द हायर पर्पस, यू नो, शी वाज स्टेइंग देयर, एंड वो जितना भी नींद था लक्ष्मण जी का, उसको मदर उर्मिला जी ने, क्योंकि एक्चुअली दोज हु नोज दे आर 33 करोड़ देवतास, तो हर एक डिपार्टमेंट का देवता है, इसलिए निद्रा का भी डेमिगॉड है. तो वो नींद जो है वो उर्मिला देवी ने पूरा किया. और इतना देखिए 14 साल पति वनवास में आए हुए हैं, उर्मिला, मदर उर्मिला didn't do any cheating. She's a chaste woman. She's a chaste woman. She lived a life of integrity. Though they are not physically together, but at the level of soul, they were so committed, connected, that even after 14 years, their relation remained the same. It became more deep. Then Urmila ka tyag hu Janaki ki pavitrata. Mother Janaki is all pure. Ravan cannot touch, and Mother Janaki never said yes for any nonsense. Yes, she could have said yes. She didn't say. She's not a mother. She's Param Bhagwan. In human life, she is playing the role that one should not behave in cheap ways. So, उर्मिला का त्याग हूँ, जानकी की पवित्रता, शबरी का प्रेम हूँ. भगवान का प्रेम किसी जाति बुद्धि के मोहताज नहीं है, कि नो कोई ऐसा कास्ट सिस्टम नहीं है भगवान के यहाँ. गीता में ऐसा कुछ नहीं लिखा है. गीता में लिखा है जो भी भगवान, मतलब आप वो विल डिस्कस, चतुर्वर्णमय सृष्टम दुर्गा में भगवान शबरी का प्रेम हूँ. ठीक है, भगवान को बहुत बड़े बड़े भोग नहीं. ऑफकोर्स अगर इफ समबडी इज अर्निंग 50,000 1 लाख, दैट पर्सन शुड नॉट ऑफर 5 रुपीज, है ना. भगवान पुराने टाइम में राजा लोग इतना बड़ा बड़ा मंदिर बनाते थे. दे आर स्पिरिचुअल हॉस्पिटल्स जहाँ पे भगवद गीता का, आत्मा का विज्ञान मिले. तो हमको अपनी फ्रॉम आवर सैलरी वी शुड सेव सम इनकम फॉर द गुड कॉज, so that this message of Bhagavad Gita should be conveyed to each and everyone. Then शबरी का प्रेम हूँ, उर्मिला का त्याग हूँ, जानकी की पवित्रता, शबरी का प्रेम हूँ, पाषाण नहीं, पूर्ण शुद्ध राम की अहिल्या हूँ. So Mother Ahilya, those who knows the pastime of Mother Ahilya, it was not her fault. She was doing the duty of a wife. Indra came in the disguise of the husband, and then she was cursed to be a stone. तो पूरी दुनिया आपको गलत समझे, भगवान आपको गलत नहीं समझेंगे. People may misunderstand you, but Krishna, Ram will never misunderstand you. And then what happened? She received the supreme benediction of her life because she is all pure. So-called material husband doubted her, you know, rejected her. But what happened? Krishna never rejected. She got the स्पर्श of Lord Ram. भगवान का चरण स्पर्श मिला. तो पाषाण नहीं हूँ, पत्थर नहीं हूँ, पाषाण नहीं हूँ, पूर्ण शुद्ध राम की अहिल्या हूँ. देन त्रिविध ताप देने वाली त्रिशूलधारी दुर्गा हूँ. दिस मटीरियल वर्ल्ड इज अ दुर्ग होता है फोर्ट. सो दुर्गा देवी is the superintendent in charge of this prison house. From her Trishul she gives 3 types of miseries. आदि देविक, आदि भौतिक, आध्यात्मिक. ताकि सुख में तो हम भूल जाते हैं ना. देन अगर जेल में ही लोग कंफर्टेबली रहने लग जाएंगे तो कभी सोचेंगे कि हमको सुधरना है. तो दुर्गा देवी सुधारती हैं, लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम देती हैं, ताकि हम वी टर्न टुवर्ड कृष्णा, वी टर्न टुवर्ड भगवद गीता, वी अंडरस्टैंड दैट वी आर नॉट जस्ट द बॉडीज, वी आर स्पिरिट सोल. दैट्स व्हाई मदर दुर्गा इज वैष्णवी. सो त्रिविध ताप देने वाली, सुधार करती हैं. वैसे त्रिशूलधारी दुर्गा हूँ, कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदायिनी, करुणामयी राधा हूँ. राधा रानी आराधना में सर्वश्रेष्ठ, भगवान की प्लेजर पोटेंसी, आह्लादिनी शक्ति. आराधना में भगवान की सर्वश्रेष्ठ भक्त हैं, करुणामयी राधा है. ठीक है, इन ऑल दिस विल डिस्कस इन डिटेल लेटर. सो कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदायिनी, करुणामयी राधा हूँ. जीवन को शुद्ध करने वाली, जीवन को शुद्ध करने वाली कृष्ण की अद्भुत गीता हूँ. That's what the role of, that's who should be our role models, you know. जीवन को शुद्ध करने वाली कृष्ण की अद्भुत गीता हूँ, सामान नहीं हूँ. गीता is the science of soul. भगवद गीता भगवान का गीत है. And that's so glorious. Our history is so much inspiration. Then even in the recent times, you know, शिवाजी महाराज जी, you know, mother जो है अपने बच्चे को उतना संस्कार देती है कि इन फ्यूचर दैट्स द पावर ऑफ बीइंग अ मदर, यू नो. सो हाउ द वे शी ट्रेन्ड शिवाजी महाराज. सो ग्लोरियस मदर्स. सो आई एंड अप विथ दिस, that you know, we should understand how valuable we are, and we are beyond these temporary material bodies, so we should not get so much obsessed with the bodies that we become intoxicated, and start living a cheap life. We should live a life of dignity and integrity, and we should live a life of value and character system. And while doing our present duties, we should live in a way that we can continue our eternal journey as spirit souls. So just a quick just I want to end that poem once more by reciting few things. सामान नहीं हूँ, सामान नहीं हूँ, हंसती हूँ गुनगुनाती हूँ, दर्द में मुस्कुराती हूँ, सह लेती हूँ हंस के, बेजान नहीं हूँ, सामान नहीं हूँ, ममतामयी माँ हूँ, स्नेहल बहन हूँ, दोस्त हूँ, हम सफर हूँ, आंगन में खेलती नन्ही सी जान हूँ, आंगन में खेलती नन्ही सी जान हूँ, सामान नहीं हूँ। तो आप दूसरे की बच्ची, दूसरे की स्त्री को भी वैसा ही व्यवहार कीजिए जैसा व्यवहार आप अपनी खुद की पत्नी, माँ या बेटी के प्रति आशा करते हैं। सामान नहीं हूँ, माटी की महक हूँ, परिंदों की चहक हूँ, ढल जाती हूँ सबके रंग में, गुमनाम नहीं हूँ। तो किसी की बेटी आपके घर शादी करके बहू बनकर आई है, इतना रोल प्ले कर रही है, आप उनको पूरा आदर दीजिए, उनको उतना प्रेम दीजिए, है ना। और सेम विद शी शुड डू हर ड्यूटीज इन अ कृष्णा कॉन्शियस। सो सबको एक परिवार के जैसा रहना चाहिए। तो सो वी शुड बी ग्रेटफुल टू आवर वाइफ, and same way, but it's not that I'm just taking the side of female. Husband has his own role to play, wife has his own role to play. They should be mutually grateful to each other's role. That's make a family system, and should take care of the parents and should give nice value system to the young generation, to the kids. बच्चों को अच्छा संस्कार देना चाहिए। Then यशोदा का दुलार हूँ, यशोदा का दुलार हूँ, देवकी का त्याग हूँ, यशोदा का दुलार हूँ, द्रौपदी का संयम हूँ, दुखों की भिक्षा मांगती कुंती का साहस हूँ, उर्मिला का त्याग हूँ, जानकी की पवित्रता, शबरी का प्रेम हूँ, पाषाण नहीं हूँ, पूर्ण शुद्ध राम की अहिल्या हूँ, त्रिविध ताप देने वाली त्रिशूलधारी दुर्गा हूँ, कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदायिनी करुणामयी राधा हूँ, पाषाण नहीं हूँ, बेजान नहीं हूँ, सामान नहीं हूँ, गुमनाम नहीं हूँ, जीवन को शुद्ध करने वाली कृष्ण की अद्भुत गीता हूँ। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। Bhagavad Gita is the essence of our life. We must read and live by Bhagavad Gita. Hare Krishna. Jagat Guru Srila Prabhupada ki jai.